Feb 14th is literally around the corner. The reason why you're probably watching this video is because you don't really know what to do with your makeup. Hello, welcome back to another YouTube video, guys. And today we're actually going to be doing a makeup look for Valentine's Day. You know, you just want to mesmerize him. Yeah, doing a makeup look in white is risky. It's really risky, but we'll take that shot and we'll do it. Also, if you hear any noise in the back, I currently have my dryer on. I did washing today, so start off with the eyes. That's what the main focus is, and then we'll go on to the rest. Okay, we'll start off with our primer. I'm currently using the Avon Magic's Shine and Control. I've been using this for a while, so it's no surprise over there. Just go in, wait for that to set in. I'm just gonna go ahead and also start with the eyebrows. I am using my screen as a mirror because I do not have a mirror. Well, I do have one in this bathroom. Hold on. Look at me. It's up there, and that's not the best lighting for anything at all, so I'm just gonna go in here. I don't do much with the eyebrows, and I don't think we should. We just try and keep them natural. If you do, go ahead and you thread your eyebrows and you wax them, good for you. But me, I have natural eyebrows. They're there, but at the same time they're not, like, as you can see, like my ends, and especially like this eyebrow is a little upset. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill them in. Try to keep them as natural as possible. Jeez, like look how long this is. I'm just gonna blend so it doesn't look too harsh. Now, eyes, we're gonna conceal. Also, lately I've been using my fingers to blend like my concealer, and then I'll go in with a beauty blender. Do I want to do the under eyes? No. Did I even bring my beauty blender? No, I do not. I left it. Anyways, that'll become another situation when I actually need to use the foundation. Just gonna take it like that. Since it's extra, I'm just gonna bring it down underneath the eye right now. So this is the palette that I have. It is a Morphe palette. It's Valentine's Day. I'm gonna avoid these, mainly because they're too bright and out there. I was thinking of maybe one of these three lovely colors, or maybe this one as well, because this one's also quite nice. Or we could even just like mix it up. I'm just gonna do a swatch test. Okay, so this is that brown with the glitter, the dark brown. This is the one next to it that's like kind of maroon. You can't really necessarily see it. This is the brown that I always use. It's so good. And then this was the other brown that I found. And quite frankly, I think we're gonna go for a little bit of a matte look because it's the best. So go ahead and bring it right close to the lash. Then from the lash line, we work up. Oh. Anyways, anywho, Loki looks like I've been bruised. I'm gonna take this angle kind of brush, and I'm gonna take the same brown, and I'm just gonna go underneath the eye. This brown by putting it in the corner. Okay. Warning, if this is very uncomfortable for you, you might want to look away. Okay, so I put it on. You can see it looks a little bit good. I'm thinking of actually taking the same eyeliner and putting it here in the corner, going up, but I don't know if that would work because I also like want to smudge it out. Let me just do my concealer and then we'll see how it works. I've got 3 different shades. I've got a light one, my shade, a darker one, which seems like my shade, but it's not. Trust me. This one is for contouring, this one is again my shade, and this one is for highlights. So we'll just go ahead and start off with the normal one, just so I can conceal the pimples or like the brown spots. Because this one right here that's just painting. Go ahead and just put this one over here and a dot, and then up here as well. This area is also like really dark, and I don't usually do a full face of makeup either way. I think I'll just do there, and then the highlighting is also usually up here as well. I don't know if I should do that, but I don't want to contour because the shade is like really dark. To make it look natural as possible, I use dots. So we'll go put dots. 3 dots there, 1, 3 here. Literally in the place where I need to contour. How lovely. And then 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and over there, over here, because my nose. I mean, why not? Anyways, let's talk about your day. Oops. I must put my hand on my white shirt. How are you doing? What's good? Do you have a Valentine's? Are you just watching this video because you have a Valentine's, or you just watching this video because you don't? And you're just looking for your next makeup look to maybe hopefully catch someone. Do I want to know? I don't know. Yes, probably. But if you can and you will tell me, let's speak about it. Because quite frankly, your girl doesn't have anyone, like at all. It's blend. We're supposed to go lightest to darkest, so let's start there. If those cards aren't horrendous, it's okay to love. And if it doesn't, it's not okay to love. The reason why I always do concealer before foundation is mainly because any errors I make, my foundation will literally cancel it out. So on spots like the acne spots, like whatever you're trying to cover, tap in one place and it helps a bit, a lot. I don't want to touch my nose just yet, mainly because of the contour that I've got going on there. This is me really trying to focus not to touch. I touched. Anyways, it's happened. Concealer time. Foundation time. I'm gonna take the foundation and we're just gonna put that all over our face. But not a lot. I'm gonna open it up because I use chef sachet packets. I don't use like a full bottle. If I had the full bottle, I would use a spatula, make a spatula and just apply it. But since I don't, we take it in and then we just like so on the face. That way you're not caking it and not using a lot at the same time. To kind of get it looking a little natural. So let's start with that actually. Going in an upward motion. If my contour just like suddenly disappears, I think I will go ahead and put more on top. But if not, and it still looks natural, then I'll leave it as is. So I've finished blending the foundation in. I might just do one more thing of contour, and then I'm just gonna put a smidge in the corner and then just trying to blend it out as well, or even not. Blend, definitely. It's working. We're gonna take red lipstick, or if you do have powder blush, whatever, go ahead. But I've used liquids this whole time and it's not powder, so go ahead and go with the liquids. I'm just gonna do either do 2 layer to there or put it straight onto my beauty blender and blend it into my face, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. As you can see, I've done it before. Put some on there and I'm just gonna leave it out. 2. It can be really pigmented, so I tend to put the dots and then I go in a different section and just blend it in. Again, I look like a clown. Let me just step back, see how I look. It's kind of cute. Right, and that is going to highlight it like right here and blend. Kind of mess it up. It's supposed to be like right here. But anyways, put some down the nose as well. Here. Take some and put it in a cupid bow. And underneath the eyebrow as well. I feel like on one section of my face it is like an absolute clown, and on the other it's absolute perfection. But then again, you can never have 2 perfect sides. No one is that perfect. I think I'm just gonna take this and just blend and see what happens. Every time I make a mistake, I always go straight to my beauty blender, and I don't know why. I'm gonna finish this off camera just so I can get to be good, you know? So I put the red lipstick on, and then I did 2 layers, which means I just took the tissue paper and I just tapped it. Now the last thing that we need to finish off is the eyelashes. Okay. Curl once, pull up and curl. Then take my eye and mascara and go in. I don't use fake lashes at all, so even if my lashes die out at the end of the day, it's fine, as long as I got my pictures before they die. Okay, that's one. Then go to the other side. And up and go. Okay, and voila. Now, usually if the red doesn't look good on you, you can go for like a burgundy or maroon. But this is the final product. Happy Valentine's Day, whether you're single or not. I hope you guys have a lovely day. Have a lovely one. And buy yourself roses if you're single. Self-care day. Treat it as a self-care day, you know?